Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today we are going to do unboxing for Gucci backpack for my son. I got him one because he loves it so much. He been asking. This bag is very nice. I love the color. It's like grayish. I'll show you in a minute, and it is huge. He can fit his laptop. He can fit his work like school things. Like, I'm so glad I got it because to see my son is this happy is making me so happy. So we are going to go ahead and unboxing for you guys. I'm so sorry we filmed this about a week ago, but the audio is messed up. Our the speaker, the mic we have it was messed up, so it didn't record the audio. So I am going to do voiceover, but I will try to explain what he was showing you then. I wish he did it because he's busy right now, but enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Okay guys, finally my son decided to do the voiceover himself, so go ahead and enjoy it. Okay guys, this bag comes with a magnetic box. This box is durable, it's so nice, and I love the art outside. It's beautiful with the pink flowers. It's like fall. And the bag comes with a dust bag. It's huge. You know, a dust bag is very important for our bags. I love the material. It's very smooth, silky kind of material. So we're gonna go ahead and open and show you what is inside.
Okay guys, here's the bag. I actually really like the blue and red accents on this bag. Like the leather is even like perfect. The way they packed it is perfect. You know, the way they handled this is perfect. Okay guys, this bag can it has one big compartment with two small compartments on the sides. The big compartment can fit some school notebooks and like a laptop, like a MacBook. Like between 11 and 13 inches, that should be good. It should fit in there. So yeah.
You can also use it for your books and your stationery for school or for work. This is not a small bag, you guys.
So here's the barcode and the authentication card for the Gucci bag. It's 100% Gucci, so that's nice. Even taking a closer look at the bag, like the materials they use for it is very nice. You know, the leather is super nice. The stitching was perfect. There was no flaws.
And the material outside is 100% leather.
So here's the back of the bag. It has a lot of padding, and it has a perforated, so it's very breathable. So let's say you want to wear this to school, you can. I wouldn't, but if you want to, you know, you can, and you'll be comfortable while doing it. Okay, so here I am putting my MacBook Air into the Gucci bag. So yeah, so there's a protective strap, and all you have to do is take your computer, your Mac. Like you have to there was nothing in the bag, so that's why it was a little hard, but it's very easy. There you go, and then that strap just holds it in, make sure it doesn't move. So yeah, that's the Gucci bag. If you guys want any more information on this bag, just hit the link in the description, and we'll make sure that you get a nice deal on this bag.
This one is a mirror image of the original, which is very affordable. It's almost $400. It's not bad. So if you like it, I will leave their information on the description box. Please check them out, okay? Thank you so much for watching. There is a coupon on the description box. Bye guys, I love you all.